Three people have been arrested in connection with the murder of a 17-year-old girl in Wajir County, which has led to debate over child marriages and gender-based violence. In a statement made by police spokesperson Mushiri Nyaga, he said, among the suspects is the man who the girl has been forced to marry. The minor is originally from a refugee family in the Dadaab refugee camp and was allegedly abducted and forced to marry a 55-year-old man in Wajir County. And now reports indicate that she was held captive for 27 days before being murdered and her body set on fire. A distressing voice recording sent to her mother before her death revealed abuse she endured. In a recording, the minor described being beaten continuously, expressing her desperation and fear. Remember to like, share and subscribe before we continue. Her mother recounted the chilling final moments of her daughter's life and said, in quotes, "Late at night when people were coming from night prayer at 10 a.m., she called saying they had started stabbing her with a knife." She added, "They were taking away her phone before everything went silent, and around 2 a.m. I received a call saying my daughter was butchered," she said. End of quote. Thank you for watching this video, and remember to like, to share and subscribe and stick to DKL Investigative for more information.